A surge in past due student loans is sparking new concerns about the health of the U.S. economy. Student loan delinquencies have been on the rise since the start of the new year. Now, the number of late payments sits at a record 12.9%. And this comes after the Trump administration ended a years-long Biden-era freeze to those monthly payments. Rohit Chopra is the former FTC commissioner and joins me now to break this down. And Rohit, first, thank you for your time. But I wanted to ask, because, look, given the policy shifts, this wasn't exactly a surprise that we were going to see these delinquencies really kind of raised, but it's still setting off some alarms here.
Well, there are parts of it that are a surprise because many student loan borrowers under federal programs have the ability to cap their payments as a percentage of their income. But what we are hearing is thousands and thousands of these applications are sitting unprocessed. That means that people are being asked to pay big money, even though federal law might allow them to have a lower payment. So I'm really worried that the way the Department of Education is managing this is going to have real impacts on the broader economy, not just those borrowers who are struggling.
Well, and currently the Department of Education, soon to be possibly the Small Business Administration, at least for new borrowers. But listen, for folks that are trying to figure out their finances over the next couple of months, what are some tips that you can provide for figuring out just kind of how to stay afloat here?
Well, look, it's not just student loans. We're seeing upticks in auto loan, credit card, and even mortgage delinquency in certain geographies. The big spikes are happening for people who are over 50 years old, not those new college graduates. That means it's people with older loans. Some of their documents may not even be accurate. People really need to go online or call their student loan servicer. That's the company that collects the payments, to make sure all of that is accurate. But honestly, I'm worried that the way the Department of Education is handling it, it's looking more and more like it's being bungled. And that means people's credit scores are going to get hit. And that could make things even worse as people are encountering higher prices and a weaker economy.
Well, and so as we head into fall, are there some key dates that borrowers should be paying attention to?
Well, right now, August 1st, which is this month, that's when the administration has started to hike interest rates on all those people who are waiting for a new payment plan. And this October and November is when we're going to see a lot of new college graduates entering repayment. I'm really worried that many of them are having a tough time finding a job and are going to start off their life after college deep in debt.
Yeah, it's kind of a dire picture, but I really appreciate your time, Rohit.